10.
Southwestern Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina, southeastern Robeson County in southeastern North Carolina, northwestern Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Boardman, or 10 miles south of Lumberton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bladenboro, Boardman, Bladen Community College, Abbotsford, Butters, Evergreen, Hestertown, Clarkton, Dublin, and Orem. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. And now taking a look at the forecast for the local